is present here, I want to greet you a pleasant and blessed morning. Today, I am here in front of you to deliver a speech that talks about millennial generation. So, what is millennial generation first of all? Millennials were born roughly between the early 1980s and the mid-1990s. This group has emerged as a force to be reckoned within our society, reshaping the way we work, we live, and communicate. The millennial generation has often been described as the millennial of change. They grew up in a world where the internet became an integral part of their lives, where the pace of change was unparalleled, and where diversity and inclusion became central themes. In today's society, people think and see the young generation as obsessed with and addicted to gadgets, such as cell phones, computers, laptops, tablets, and more. Millennials are often characterized by their embrace of technology. You said millennials are addicted in technologies and gadgets? Well, that's true. I agree with that. However, it is also essential for you to recognize that technology and gadgets is their way of communicating, connecting, and even advocating of change. Millennials tend to be more conscious than previous generations. Another significant characteristic of millennials is their desire for flexibility and independence. Unlike other generations, millennials can stand on their own feet, not depending on anyone, and can handle their own problems and situations. Furthermore, millennials are often seen as more open-minded and inclusive. They tend to reject traditional labels and accept diversity in all their forms. This attitude has led to advancement in LGBTQ+ rights, gender equality, and racial equity. They are driving a cultural shift towards a more inclusive and accepting society. Therefore, parents and teachers, I urge and encourage you to have a deep understanding about the millennials and look at them at their bright sides. Don't embarrass them if they make mistakes, but rather help, support, motivate, especially love them of who they are. Sue Atkins once said, "There is no such thing as being the perfect parent, but for them, the millennials, your love and support will always be perfect." And enough, more than enough. That's all, and thank you for letting me borrow your ears.